We are about to install evpMAX on a 2023 Ford Light.
evpMAX consists of the control box, wiring harness, the knobs to adjust it, the pedal connectors, this optional kind of button that you can work the control with, and then this other loop which controls the automatic or the manual activation of the product.
Prior to installing evpMAX, make sure that the vehicle is turned off. Turn the vehicle off using the Run Stop button. Exit the vehicle, wait 15 seconds, and then re-enter the vehicle and install the evpMAX product. Start the install by making sure that the vehicle is off. This means that the dashboard is black. Locate the accelerator pedal. Push the red tab up and then push in on the black retainer that holds the connector in place while pushing up in the connector. Plug evpMAX into the factory wiring harness. Connect the other end of the evpMAX harness into the accelerator pedal. This is what it should look like with evpMAX in between the accelerator pedal and the original wiring harness. Plug the dual control knob into the wiring harness. Tie strap everything up and out of the way. Make sure that you do not connect anything to the steering column. Leave the 4-pin connector out. That way, after you program the device, you can unplug the 4-pin and save your setting.
This would be the knob settings for stock, so we're going to see how this goes. These Lightnings are really fast stock, so I'm about to floor it. Oh my goodness. Alright, so you saw that. Now I'm going to adjust this up the way I think it should be for most folks. This is a setting I think it should be for most folks, which would be slightly to left of straight up, and then time about all the way up for the delay for the pedal. Floor it. Still goes fast, but not like it was. Another recommended setting would be slightly counterclockwise from the 12 o'clock position for the pedal and about maybe the 2 o'clock position for here. So we're about to accelerate and see how it does. Much softer.